Everything is broken, so beyond repair. In the land of once good fortune, no, we were not prepared. Never felt so alone, stranded in nowhere. Now here we are standing, so beware.